You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Oh, great. Assalamu alaikum, all of you guys. And start this is Allah Rahman Rahim. Not for the entire universe. And today my topic is simply like that. Stop approving. Start improving. Performing. What the meaning of this stop is simply meaning stop approving about the people. Like you're seeing others, what they are doing it. Start really what you are doing it. Start to see what you are doing for yourself. On that time, like we are easy. It is easy to judge other color, but it is hard to see our own color. Like this, how it is dirty. Just the same thing. In a Pakistani, Pakistani, I will give it a make example. I will not say that I am very much clear. I will not say, but I will give an example of the Pakistan. Like in Pakistan, what happened? What time is there? Everybody is like seeing what he is doing. Wow, he is doing fun over there. He is speaking. Or they are seeing which clothes that boy or girl wear, which clothes that they have done. These all the things. Which work they have done. Right? It is easy that we are judging others what they are doing it, but it is hard to starting improve our own self. That we should try to improve our own self. That's all. On that time, I was like, why the other countries are helmet developed? Why the China became after 1 year with Pakistan made? Then why China is ahead than Pakistan? Why they did not see others what they are doing? They are seeing their own self what we are doing over here. And they know when today we start when we start to approving others, then from tomorrow we will start to improving ourselves. The same thing, from when we start to improve, when we start to see others. One time, somebody is sitting in a computer and somebody can just start to talk with them, or somebody is over there, so they are saying about pupils and they are telling bad about other people. Wow, he is doing this kind of, I also don't know. Today they will speak, tomorrow they will say to others, yes, this girl or boy is doing this kind of work. That's why, on that time our country why it's not developed. They are not stopping approving the others. They have to start to improve their own self. When they want to improve, here everybody came for the improve. Here everybody came in a class or something, why you are backbiting of others? When you are sitting, or after the class, when you are going for the practice, some people I have seen, why should focus too much? I also said in the study that I am also not very much clear, but I am trying to make myself very clear. Yes or no? It's something. They are not seeing their own self. Like what we are doing. Out in a class they are sitting, wow, she has done this work. Wow, that boy is doing dance, this, that, they are not saying, they did not start to approve. They are not stopping themselves to approve it. They should start to improve. When they stop to do approving themselves, from there they start to improve themselves.
Talking about the negative sides when the people are dancing, so we should not see them. We should start focusing on our own self. You can say that when somebody is better than us, so we have to improve. We have to prove that from which angle, from where they are getting so many things, from where they are being as much hardworking. Definitely behind that thing they are having hard working. Definitely behind that thing there is someone who is pushing. There is someone who is motivating them. Then why we should not approve? Why you are just telling about the people who are just doing wrong approving? We can do a positive approving. You should be positive and you can start improving yourself. Without approving, how it can be possible that you can improve yourself when you are not using your mind, when you are not when you are not focusing on the people who are doing so many good things, and how it can be that you can improve yourself. Definitely you will be the same. You will be the casual person. You will be the you'll be on the point that all the people are there. You will not be the unique one. When you start approving to the people who are greater than you, definitely you will start improving. Otherwise you will not. That's all.
Why you are taking this thing in our home? Why you are taking and and you are not using your mind in a right way. Miss, on that time you should also see why they start approving, and I give the example of the Pakistan, no of the other countries. We also said this thing. In my opinion, no, that's why you asked this question for me. But I also said about the Pakistan. In Pakistan, you will see, never you will see, from the 1,000 you will see 99.9, and you will see the one that they are proving themselves in the right way. And others what they are doing, they are not stopping to approve, and they are thinking that what they are doing. Miss, I said that it's in your mind. What their logic is, my logic is any other one. That's why I said, you said about the right way also, but you said about the high level country, but I said about the low level country.
Last question.
Okay, as we can see that who is giving us an example of improvement. Like a person who is a liar, and as well we know that how much you are liar and how much you are improving. Because as many times our master teach you, as many times our master say you don't do this, and you are improving yourself. And the second day you are making up because you are improving yourself at your home. Because you know that how to improve yourself very well. That is why you are doing this. And you are saying if you can see the negative side of something, that means you are also a negative person. That is why you are also seeing the negative side of. If you are also a positive, and you can also see the positive side of something, and on that time you will take the responsibility. If the dirt is there, so I can take a broom and I can clean it, and I am the responsible person. And I also want to improve my country. I am not here to just degrade my country.
Lecture I give, you did not listen properly. You did not listen. I also said in a low level country, people they are not doing the word person speak in a right way. Their ears are open to listen to wrong things. That's why I also speak over here. This all the things. You did not listen. That's also not my problem. Why I am here to do presentation and to speak right or wrong, which I get the topic to speak over here. Yes or no? That one more thing is that you are saying me that you are making the whole disorder. I also said before seeing the other color, it's hard to see your own color really, how much you have screened your color by the surface of your own color.
Do you want the power play for him? Yes, she wants. Last query.
As you are saying before see others' color, you should see your own color. So it's a very old dialogue, something brings something deep, because all the time you are saying I am improving myself. By listening you are improving, by lying with your master, by backbiting in front of him or backbiting of in back of him, by making playing. It's mean you are improving yourself. Shame on you that you are not a real student, but still you are saying I am the real and the loyal. You should shame on your own, see your own self in the mirror, and shame on you that I get a diamond, but I don't know the value of diamond. See your own color, then say to others that see your own color, then wash it with surf excel. Firstly see your own color, then say to others. Thank you, that's all.
Captain asked same question, this player asked same question, you also ask the same question. Why? Like you only know the cheating to ask from your, like you only know to see really what the question that girl asked, or what like which thing I have to ask over there. That's all known that time. Like this, again and again, 2 times I give the same answer. And that this dialogue is too old, but still you are not able. You are also listen, old is the gold, but still you are not able to see the gold which I speak over here. And one more thing is, and you are saying to me over here, like you are the like liar, this all the thing. When I am the liar, na, in the middle I was trying to like be silent over here. You have missed something, like the person, I am the big player, I am this or that. On that time, when they backbite, when they were in front of the big crowd, they are being silent, but they are not being able to speak. But still I am not. I know I have a diamond and I know the value of the diamond. You don't know, then you should not tell me. And for seeing the mirror, that I am not, I should see myself in a mirror. Means in morning I said you should not tell me. See your own self. And like about seeing the person, miss, that I have seen myself in a mirror. See your own self, and before telling me about my mistake, improve your own mistakes.